Hey everyone, welcome back to Asa Life. Today we are taking you on a cozy summer staycation. Yes, you are right. That's right. At Centara Mirage Beach Resort, Dubai. The temperature in Dubai is 51 degree, which made it feels like a dream escape right in the heart of summer. This place is around 30 minutes drive from city, and it is feel like you are entered in a whole new world.
It's like, see the hotel, it's Thai based. It's from Thailand. That's why we're gonna eat like Thailand food. There might be some Indian food, but there is
Sushi is Thailand.
yeah, sushi.
Sushi is not Thailand.
It's not Thailand, but it's famous. So it's
Thailand.
Roasted by your own parents.
Thailand.
We are going to a resort that is for the first time not in Abu Dhabi but is in Dubai.
Centara, very good. Thumb.
We're going in Deira to Centara Resort, and there will be water park, hotels, and parks and buffet.
As soon as you arrive, the vibe here is super warm and welcoming. We booked the half board package, which include a delicious breakfast and dinner, absolutely perfect when you are with family and want to keep the things simple and sorted.
Press it.
3-3.
तुम्ही काय वाट बघताय काय कोणी पूजेची ताट घेऊन येणार आहे
And it's so nice.
Hi.
See?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
We don't get.
आम्ही हे केलं गेट केलं मी विचारलं 150 रस्ता घेतलं मम्मी कुठे आहे
Oh my God, look at this.
You literally jumped on it.
Watch out.
वाव
Go, go, go. Get it.
आरामात 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 जंप नाही मारायची कम वाव
Where down? I know, but where is that?
वाव सही है यार नाउ वी कैन सी वेयर वी हैव टू गो टेल मी गर्दी आहे रे खाली
अरे मागच्या वीकेंडला आपल्याला बुक नव्हतं करता आलं माहिती आहे
फुल आहे बुक मी आज सकाळी बघितलं
हे शारजा आहे. हे ऐक ना ते लोक कीपॅड
Bunk bed.
हे डू द ब्रिज ब्रिज
ओय हे पडा रे मध्ये जा गॅप मध्ये हे सुरू झालं
Look, I can hear it.
ते म्हणजे तुम्हाला न्यायला नको बोलले
And now it's fixing.
वा वा वा
And now it's fixing.
Hey, you will fall down. Hey, you will fall down. Everyone will fall down. अनन्या नो पोटात दुखेल इकडे मग घरी जायला लागेल इट्स ओके
Silence.
Lazy river. Wow.
Lazy river for lazy people.
Lazy people. बपोरा नाही होऊन दे मजा येईल. कुठे आहेत ते? काय तुमचे लेझी रिवर? बाबा विथ लेझी रिवर.
त्याच्याकडे फोटो छान आहे.
त्याच्यामध्ये माझे दोन तुझे तुझे
बट मी तुझ्याकडचे फोटो छान आहेत ते आपण घेऊन
अच्छा दोघे ओपन होत
12 वर्ष लग्नाची हरकत तू कशी चालली 12 वर्ष
या मस्त आल्या
हा मस्त अरे
Morning guys, so we are at Centara Mirage resort in Dubai itself, and it's really worth because here you can get beach access, water park, and lots of things are there for the family as a children. So we are here for one night. The cost is worth. We paid like 1,300 for family of 3 with a sea view, plus half board, breakfast and dinner, and plus access to all water park area. So I think this is the best place to visit during summer. So let's go. Yesterday we had a half boat dinner at night. It was very nice. The food was good and we enjoyed. Now we are going for a breakfast, half boat. morning breakfast, and then again we'll go for a water ride and in the pool. Before 12 o'clock we have to check out. So let's go. Temperature is 50 plus in Dubai.